Turn the knobs. Check the flame. Trumpetmaster in the kitchen. Yeah. Remember the name. There. Name 77 on the jersey. Chef coat draped like a cape. Prime grade 7 bone flex. Marbling looking in shape. Christmas list in the fridge. Yeah. Family ready, they know. Santa sliding down chimneys. I'm sliding that roast in slow. HEB rubbing the left hand. PS rodeo in the right. Two-step shake on the counter. Seasoned up nice and tight. Let it ride, let it rest. Yeah, we blessing this meat. Little drizzle on the tray. This that holiday, yeah. Trumpetmaster cooking up a prime grade flow. Hey, 7 bone roast, watch the Christmas glow. Hickory smoke when the back door opens. Bear Mountain rolling, all these taste buds hoping. Trumpetmaster cooking up a prime grade flow. Hey, plates lined up, everybody say whoa. For a king. Walk it. Bear Mountain pellets in the hopper. Hickory haze in the air. Neighbor sniffing at the window asking, yo, what's cooking in there? Temp low like a baseline. Slow jam, 3-hour ride. Bar getting darker and darker. Crust locked in on the side. Yo, Proby that's in the hit target. Juice is ready to run. Pull that roast like a trophy. Yeah, the cooking just won. Carve game, sharp that cadence. Rib bones lined in a row. Every cut got swagger, every bite got flow. Hey! Trumpetmaster cooking up a prime grade flow. Hey! 7 bone roast, watch the Christmas glow. Hickory smoke when the back door opens. Bear Mountain rolling, all these taste buds hoping. Trumpetmaster cooking up a prime grade flow. Hey! Plates lined up, everybody say whoa. Roast fit for a king. Forks up high, let the horns just sing. Holiday band in the dining room, let the sauce just cling. From the pit to the plate, from the plate to the praise. This that Trumpetmaster Christmas, we gon' eat for days. Trumpetmaster cooking up a prime grade flow. 7 bone roast, watch the Christmas glow. Hickory smoke when the back door. Taste buds hoping. Trumpetmaster cooking up a prime grade flow. Place lined up, everybody say whoa. One more slice, let the choir sing. This that roast fit for a king.